What if you built a music empire, only to watch it collapse overnight? That's the reality for Sean Diddy Combs, one of the biggest names in the industry, now caught in a legal firestorm. With shocking accusations of criminal sex trafficking and racketeering, his legacy, fortune, and even his freedom are on the line. How did it come to this? Let's dive in. But now, in a dramatic turn of events, one of Diddy's top defense attorneys has just quit his case. And the reason? He says he can no longer effectively serve as counsel. What does this mean for Diddy's fate? And why would a high-profile lawyer suddenly walk away from one of the biggest celebrity trials of the decade? Let's break it all down. The lawyer who walked away. Anthony Ricco, a respected attorney with a history of handling high-stakes cases, including terrorism trials, filed a motion on February 21st to withdraw as one of Diddy's 6 defense lawyers. His reasoning? His words were clear but cryptic. Under no circumstances can I continue to effectively serve as counsel for Sean Combs, consistent with the ABA standards for criminal justice. Now, let's pause here. This is a serious statement. The ABA standards for criminal justice are guidelines ensuring ethical and effective representation. So, what went wrong? Was there an internal conflict? Did Ricco uncover something that made him uneasy? Or is Diddy's defense team unraveling under the pressure of this high-profile case? One thing's for sure, this isn't normal. Who is Anthony Ricco? For those unfamiliar, Ricco is a seasoned criminal defense lawyer, known for taking on some of the toughest cases in legal history. He worked on the 1998 embassy bombing case. He was involved in United States versus Osama bin Laden in 2001. He's handled over 45 federal death penalty cases in New York before the practice was outlawed. This is not someone who walks away easily. So why now? And why so close to trial, which is set to begin on May 5th? The mysterious resignation. Ricco's motion to withdraw was just 2 pages long, shockingly brief for such a major decision. He did not provide specifics about his departure. He made it clear that he wanted to respect attorney-client privilege. He reassured the judge that his resignation would not delay the trial. This raises more questions than answers. Was this a professional disagreement? A conflict of interest? Or did something happen behind the scenes that forced Ricco's hand? And here's the kicker. Diddy still has 5 other attorneys on his legal team, but losing a lawyer of Ricco's caliber is a major blow, especially when you're facing charges as severe as these. A legal win. But is it enough? Ricco's departure comes just days after Diddy and Jay-Z scored a rare legal victory. A woman who accused them of sexually assaulting her at a VMA after-party in 2000 voluntarily withdrew her lawsuit last week. Jay-Z, who had fiercely denied the allegations, called the accusations heinous, and even blasted the accuser's lawyer for getting basic facts wrong. Diddy's legal team, on the other hand, was quick to celebrate the case dismissal. For months, we have seen case after case filed by individuals hiding behind anonymity, pushed forward by an attorney more focused on media headlines than legal merit. Just like this claim, the others will fall apart because there is no truth to them. But does this one victory actually change anything? Not really. Because while this lawsuit has been dropped, Diddy's legal troubles are far from over. In fact, they're getting worse. The storm isn't over. If Diddy thought this legal win would turn the tide in his favor, he might be in for a rude awakening. Earlier this month, reports surfaced that he is expected to be hit with over 10 new civil lawsuits. And if that wasn't shocking enough, another disturbing allegation recently resurfaced that he once threatened to eat a contestant's flesh on his reality show, Making the Band, in the 2000s. With all of these accusations piling up, Diddy's fight is far from over. And now, with one of his top attorneys gone, he could be in deeper trouble than ever. What do you think? Drop your comments below. This case is full of twists and turns, and we want to hear from you. Why do you think Anthony Ricco really quit? Is Diddy's legal team falling apart, or is this just a minor setback? With more lawsuits coming, is this the beginning of the end for Diddy? Let's talk about it. Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you want to stay updated on the latest celebrity scandals and legal battles, like this video, subscribe for more deep dives, share this with someone following the case. This story is far from over. Stay tuned.